Hi everyone, welcome back to day 4 of 20-day basic JavaScript challenge. Today we are going to learn how to write a simple program in JavaScript that finds the largest of three numbers entered by the user. So let's dive into the code. Here you can see I have opened my code editor, and in this I create one file index.html. In this file I have a script tag. In this script tag I write our functionality. So for that we cover three steps. First we get our input from user. Here I write get our input from user. After that we check the greater number. And at the end we display the result to the user. So in first step, here I write a prompt function. So first I create a variable num1, and in this num1 variable we store input value. So here I write prompt function. Using a prompt we get input from user, and here I write enter first number. As you know that prompt function gave a string value, so I convert this into a integer value. So I use a parse float function here. So I got this, and here I write parse float, and in this parse float I use a prompt function. Okay, in next step I get a second input from the user, so I do same thing like that. So I copy this, press alt shift and arrow down, it duplicate this line, and here I use a num2 value variable, and next again I do the same thing, alt shift arrow down, and it's duplicate num2 this line. Okay, so I change this variable to num3. So next we find the largest number. So how we can find? We use a if else statement. So in this second step, first I create a variable. I write let greater. Okay, and at this time I cannot assign any value to this variable. So next I use if else statement. Here I write if, and in this I check what number is greater. So here I write num1 greater than is equal to, like that, greater than is equal to num2, and I write an AND operator, and again I write num1 greater than is equal to num3, and here I write largest number, so greater is equal to num1. So what we can say in this condition? We say if num1 greater than num2 and num1 greater than num3, then the value of num1 is greater than from num2 and num3. So I show the result to a user num1 value. After that I use a else if statement, else if, and in this I pass a condition num2 greater than num1 and num2 greater than is equal to num3, and here I write greater is equal to num2, and after that I write else statement here, and in this I write greater is equal to num3. So what happened in this condition? So again I repeat you. So first we check num1 greater than num2 and num1 greater than num3, then we save the num1 value in this greater variable. After that, if this condition is false, then it go to a next condition and check if num2 greater than is equal to num1 and num2 greater than is equal to num3, then I pass the num2 value in this greater variable. Okay, and next if both condition are false, then else part will be run, and in this time I stored num3 value into the greater variable. So next I display this greater value to a user. So here I use a console.log method, and in this method first I write a message. So I write the greater number is, and here I concatenate this variable greater, and here I paste this one. and save. Now I go to a browser. So I run this code, and here you can see it say first number. So I cancel this one. I inspect this page and go to a console and again reload this page. So here you can see it say enter a first number. So I write first number is 10, then press on OK, and second enter a first number. So here say enter a first number because I cannot change in this value. You can see here I cannot change. So here I write a second, and in third I write a third number. So again I go to a browser and I reload this page. So now you can see enter a first number. I enter a first number 10 and click on OK. Next enter a first number. What happened here? I don't know. So cancel this one and reload. Now again I test, enter a first number. So here I write 10, click on OK, and now you can see it's enter a second number. I write second number is 5 and then OK, and enter third number. So here I pass a 15, click on OK, and you can see the greater number is 15. First we enter 10, second number we enter 5, and third number we enter 15. So due to this reason it gave a greater number to him. So that it's for today tutorial. We have successfully written a JavaScript program to find the largest of 3 numbers. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.